Hi there. Are you trying to access your KRA account and the code or the verification code is sent to your old number that you no longer use? Worry not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your KRA number to the current one. Stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let's dive into the video. So after accessing your account using an email address where the code is always sent to email address and phone number, but in this case the phone number you don't have, so we use the email address. So when you access the code from email address and open your account, you come to this part written registration and then you tap there, go down where it's written amend pin details, go tap where it's written update contact details, and a page like this will load up. After it's loaded up, so you have to confirm the details, everything that it's correct, and then click on submit and a page like this will show up. And then here you'll find these details and just go straight ahead to change your phone number, or if you want also to change the email, just click there and then write the current email that you have on your phone and the number as well, and then click or send OTP where it will be sent to that particular phone number and it will verify, and click on submit to update the contact details on our KRA portal. So after clicking submit, a notification like this will come to your portal saying that taxpayer contacts have been updated successfully. You can reprint your KRA certificate to get new details. And it is as easy as that. And actually by updating this, it will give you an easy time while trying to again access your KRA portal. So if you find this video educative, kindly subscribe and leave a comment. See you on the next one.